Today I'm excited to share with you what to expect in the next coming weeks on this channel, so keep watching. Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, I make videos to help you on your homeschooling journey. I've been homeschooling since 2011 and all I want to do is help make this journey easy for you guys. With that being said, I have a cool little series that's going to be coming out, kind of like a series, I guess you can call it that. But I went to the homeschool convention. You guys probably saw that video. If you didn't, you can check it out. And man, I saw some really cool exhibitors in the exhibit hall, and I reached out to a lot of different people, and a handful of them were willing to give me products to review in exchange for a video. And the reason why I did that was not only to get some cool stuff, but it was also so I can share with you guys some different resources that are out there. A lot of these small companies don't have a lot of advertisement, and there's like no way you're ever gonna find, like I never seen have some of these things, like some of the stuff that I'm getting I had never seen before. So I thought it'd be pretty cool. So I'm gonna be making some videos in the next few weeks showing you guys different things that people have sent to me in exchange for a video. So this is going to be science units, even from companies that you've heard of. We have some history, we have Bible. I have some Bible stuff to show you guys as well. So we're gonna have lots of different reviews. I hope that this can prepare you for your upcoming homeschool year, to get some new ideas if you haven't already purchased everything that you need. I know right now is the time that I'm getting all my stuff together. So I'm definitely excited to share all of that stuff with you guys. So stay tuned in the next few weeks, and I'm gonna try and sneak in some day in the life as well. Maybe we'll do 2 videos of products and then a video a day in the life. Let me know what you guys would prefer, because this channel is for you. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Keep on watching. If you are new, please subscribe, and that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.